Every day I wake up early to the sound of my alarm clock. I stretch my arms and legs, feeling refreshed and energized. I then brush my teeth with my favorite toothbrush and toothpaste, enjoying the minty flavor. After that, I take a quick shower, letting the warm water invigorate my senses. I dress up in comfortable clothes, choosing from a vast collection of colorful garments. I then head to the kitchen to make a nutritious breakfast, consisting of cereal, milk, and fresh fruits. I sit down at the table and savor every bite, feeling satisfied and content. Next, I grab my backpack and head to work, feeling eager to start a new day. I perform my tasks with diligence and focus, receiving positive feedback from my boss and colleagues. I take frequent breaks, walking around and chatting with my friends, feeling connected and social. In the evening, I return home and unwind by reading a book or watching a movie. I then cook a delicious dinner, experimenting with new Iraqi recipes and ingredients. I sit down with my lovely family and share interesting stories and laughter, feeling grateful for their presence in my life. And so should you. Finally, I go to bed, feeling tired but content, ready to start another day tomorrow. Professor Walid Khalid.